I was born with a prophetic gift. That is what people call me this year. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself, about the problems and the solution. Where there is God, everything and anything is possible. Your happiness is my concern.
In this video, I'm going to teach you 5 signs that you are under spiritual attack and the solutions to the 5 signs. You heard me right. 5 signs. If you are noticing these 5 signs, know that you are under spiritual attack. And I'm going to teach you the solution to these 5 signs I'm going to mention. Hi guys, this is Sia. I was born with the gift of Sia. That's what people call me, the Sia. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself, both the problems and the solution. Spiritual controls the physical. I believe you all know this one. Now, if some things are happening to us spiritually, our spirit keep drawing our attention to it. You know that sometimes we are deaf to pay attention to those things which make it more severe as time goes on. So if you are experiencing any of these 5 signs I'm going to teach you, know that you are under spiritual attack, and I'm going to also give you the solutions to these 5 signs. I will mention one by one and the solution for them. Who is Zuzu? Is this year your happiness is my concern. Now, number one sign is if you are experiencing cobweb attack. Remember, I'm not mentioning them under the range of this thing. After everything, I'll tell you the ones that are worse. One, when you experience cobweb attack, if you are the kind of person that somebody will just pass a place before you know, you yourself, you pass that place, you will just use cobweb, cover yourself. Cobweb are used by the witches so that they use it to cover your glory, your star. So whatever that will come to you will not come to you again. So if you are experiencing cobweb attack, it's a sign that you are under spiritual attack, witches attack. Now, how do you overcome this sign? If you are experiencing cobweb attack, which is number one, the solution to this cobweb attack is this. You are going to get your early morning urine. You are going to get a day old ash. If you are going to get your early morning urine tomorrow, burn something like a paper today or charcoal. Then keep the ash. Let the ash be outside. Then the next day, early in the morning, around 5, 6 in the morning, your time, then you get your urine, put it on a plate, then get that a day old ash, mix it with your urine. Then you pray on that urine. Say no matter how hot the ashes, that hotness cannot exceed that day. As a result, whatever is wrong with me that is making me to have cobweb attack should stop today. You pray on it from today henceforth. I destroy any spirit of setback, any spirit of disappointment. I will never use my face to carry cobweb again. When you are done praying on this, on the urine that you have mixed with your the urine you have mixed with your ash, mixed with the ash, use it to wash your face and your head. You use it to wash your face and your head. That's early in the morning, right? You can keep the remaining one. If you want to bath later that day, then you can add it to your bathing water. You do this for 3 days straight. You destroy that cobweb attack. You will not have that cobweb attack again. Who dey Zuzu? That's number one thing. That is one solution you can use to destroy cobweb attack. Another sign that you are under witches attack is when you keep dreaming you are eating in the dream, or you are seeing yourself in old places. Now, when you dream you are seeing yourself eating in the dream, is a spiritual setback. Now, how do you destroy this when you see yourself eating or running in a dream? If you dream and you see yourself running in the dream, now this is how to solve it. When you always see them pursue you in the dream, you are going to buy yam. After you have buy yam, cook the yam. Small one, it must not be much. Cook the yam. Then use your spoon or whatever to mash the yam. Mash the yam. Let it look as if it is powder, but it should not be 100% powder. You should see I've said. Mash the yam. Mix it with salt and palm oil. After you have mixed with salt and palm oil, then you that's mix the yam with salt and palm oil. You get one egg, preferably organic egg, local egg. If you cannot get organic egg, use any egg available at your place. Now you put it in a plate, in a paper, in a white cloth, anything you can put it on, but you not use anything black. You pray on it that whoever is coming to whoever is whatever it is that is pursuing me in my dream, which is what I've used to subdue those power over me. They should not have power over me again. From today henceforth, whatever is pursuing my dream, this is what I give you to leave me alone. You pray on it, how you want everything to be, blah blah blah. When you are done praying on that yam, then you go and drop it in a junction. Then you hold the egg. You say this word, the shell of an egg can never catch sickness. As a result, from today henceforth, nothing the evil will plan against me will work. I want to be free from this people, whatever it is that is pursuing my dream, this or that. When you are done praying on the egg, use the end to round your head anti-clockwise several times. After you have used it to round your head several times anti-clockwise, then you break that egg on the same juncture, same day. Once you drop everything, break the egg on that. Come back, go home, don't look back, just go to your house straight. That is how to destroy that dream that you always see yourself running. Another one to destroy the second sign your other account is when they keep giving you food to eat in the dream. If you are the kind of person that you always eat in the dream, especially meat that don't have bone, it's not a good thing. No, now which is witch's attack. Now, how do you stop this? Get raw rice, get peas, get all those mixed food, all those things, all those greens, get them. Then cut a goat meat, raw goat meat. You understand? Get a goat meat, raw goat meat. Then you put everything together on a plate. You said all those people that are all the whoever, all those people that are coming to give me food to eat in the dream, that this is the food I gave you food so that people will not have power over me again. I want to be free from eating food in the dream. When I don't praying on it, drop it in a Joshua, go home, don't look back. If you look back, that thing, even if the thing stop, it will come back again. That is how to destroy you. See yourself eating in the dream. If these 3 points I've given you so far, you've learned something, know where to hit the like button on the comment section. I comment on the video. I will never eat in the dream again. I join my faith with yours. You will never eat in the dream again. But that's another sign that you are under spiritual attack. Then another sign again that you are under spiritual attack is when all of a sudden your destiny helpers, everybody, your family, your colleagues, everybody, all of a sudden they just hate you for no reason. It's another big sign that you are under spiritual attack. Now, how do you go about this? When you notice that people that are helping you before, they are not helping you again, they have choose to come back at you, even if you call them, look as if you are disturbing them. This is a spiritual attack because they are trying to take what will bring good things for you. Just like the way them giving you food to eat in the dream. The reason why they give you food to eat in the dream for 3 reasons. One, to make you have promise and faith disappointment. Most time, if something good is coming for you as you eat in the dream, that you are looking for is likely not to come again. It's for setback, promise and faith, and also for sickness. So when you notice that those people that used to help you before, they are not helping you again, get money, any amount of your choice. You pray on that money that I want those people helping me to be helping me. I want people to be helping me like before. I don't know why it's so person don't want to help me again. Anything that is on the road that is making people not to help me like before again, that is making people not to like me like before. This is what I used to remove that thing. I don't want this. I don't want them to hate me again. I want them to come back the way they used to help me before. I want them to give me money the way they used to give me money before. I don't pray on the money. You know, money has 4 corners, right? One of the corner, one here. Just pitch it out, cut it out small. That one you cut out, okay? Just place it anywhere in your house. Then the other money, go and drop it. Sorry, the other money, go and give it out to a beggar, a man beggar, a woman beggar, anyone your spirit leads you to give, you give. That is another way to stop. That is the fourth one. If you are the person that people just suddenly hate, they don't want to help you. But this is how to stop. You want to be receiving money the way you used to receive money before. You're also working, it says that money is not coming to your hands the way it used to come to before. You say, this is what I've given so that money will be coming to my hand the way money used to come to my hand. Then you cut one corner of the money, you dash it out. Type on the comment section, money will keep flowing to me more than ever before. Let me know in the comment section. This is the fourth sign that you're under spiritual attack. If all of a sudden money stop coming to you the way they're supposed to, or people that are helping you, they are not helping you, and giving out that money is the solution to that. Okay. Then I said I was going to give you 5. The fifth sign that you're under attack is, let me say, for example, you notice that for you to make some certain decision is difficult for you. Sometimes, if the witch is what to, if you have billions of naira, billions of dollars or naira in your account, if the witch is what to attack you, they will not go and withdraw that money. They will taunt your thinking. You'll be the one that will go and withdraw that money and squatter it yourself. That's why you have to guide your thinking. This one is the most worst. So if once they temper the way you think, even if the people that likes you try to correct you, you will see them as the enemy. Even if you are your husband, your wife is telling you, hey babe, don't do this, honey, don't do this. You see your wife as your enemy. So if you are finding it difficult to make the right decision, or I will advise you, because even if they have tempered with your decision, you might not even know. You think you are thinking or know that you are actually listening. I advise everybody to do this because that's the friends they normally utter with. Get egg, get palm oil, get salt, get a day old ash, a day old ash. You burn charcoal today or burn paper today. By tomorrow, that charcoal, that ash will be a day old. You break the egg and the shell inside your baking water. 12 midnight. Add salt. any type of salt, normal cooking salt, add full of cooking salt to your bathing water. You add 5 to 9 drops of palm oil to that bathing water. Then you add that ash to that bathing water. Then you will say, no matter how hot the ash is, that hotness cannot pass that day. As a result, any spiritual disease in my body, I pass it out today because the shell of an egg can never catch sickness. Salt and evil has nothing in common. From today, I want my body and evil has nothing in common, no negative energy. I will always make the right decision at the right time, at the right place. I will be the one I will think for myself. No external being will think for me. So you make this prayer like this. When you don't make it the prayer, then you take your bath. Type on the comment section, if you are going through this, I will always make the right decision. So you make that prayer, you take your bath 12 midnight. And when you are done taking your bath, don't clean your body, allow your body to dry naturally. Once you do this 4 days, don't sleep with woman because temptation might come. That's when you feel like to, normal thing. Don't do it. Avoid anything sex or masturbation for 4 good days. Do this, I'll come and give you your testimony. Come on, guys. If you find this video helpful, all I'm asking for you is to like, share, subscribe to my channel so that you can keep seeing the ugly face or the ugly face or what face, depending on how you see the face. Bye for now. You see, okay, who the Zuzu? Where there is God, everything and anything impossible. Your happiness is actually my concern. Bye for now.